Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more videos on microservices. This topic is new, that's why I will be elaborating more and more in my upcoming videos when I will do videos on microservices. First of all, I want to tell you that today's video is about REST API, one part of REST API. So I will try to explain in brief more about microservices. So let us go through the presentation first. Python using FastAPI. Benefit of microservice: loosely coupled application. This means one module is not dependent on another module. Each and every module are independent of each other. This is very helpful for testing purposes. Loosely coupled application means the different services can be built using the technologies that suit them best. So the development of team is not bounded to the choice made while starting the project. Since the services are responsible for specific functionality, which makes it easier to understand and keep the application under control. Why microservices in Python? Python is a perfect tool for building microservices because it comes with a great community, easy learning curve and tons of libraries due to the introduction of asynchronous programming in Python. So now we'll go through the program. Here I will go through the program code. I created app directory in which I have a file. Here this is the part which I want to fetch using get this JSON file, fake movie DB. This fast API module I need to use, which is very important when I want to do the program of microservices. Base model, this is schema, in the sense name and string and this part, and return the fake movie DB. Now I will execute the program. I will go out of the app directory and I will execute the program. Yes, uvicorn app, this app and this main and then app and this reload. Yes, fine. Yes, so I will take in JSON format. So I successfully done with one of the part of REST API using microservices using Flask. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices, REST API in Python, web programming, then if possible machine learning, if possible node part in different manner, React in different manner. I will be elaborating more on microservices with React, microservices with node and this part. So if you want latest videos, if you want latest technology about microservices, so keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.